We're at immigration. We're trying to extend our visa because our boat is broken, so we can't move if we want to. And yeah, hopefully they'll give us another month or so in the country so we can get things sorted and keep moving. We did it, so we've got our visas extended for 4 months, and so now all we need to do is worry about getting the boat ready and cyclones as well. So, yeah.
Just a little thing called cyclones.
And now we're off to check in the boat.
Back to customs. We hunted around and we found a spring, or a couple of springs that might be able to do the job, but kind of brought them back and their tension was different, so I just decided to zip tie this other one back in there. So we've got all that tight, and yeah, Drew seems to think that it's the governor inside the fuel injection pump that's causing this, the fluctuation of revs, causing the engine to hunt for revs. So that's not good. We're gonna have to see if we can find someone here who can fix it. It's probably a rebuild, so we have to order like gaskets and O-rings and everything. So, but that's providing we can find someone to rebuild it here. It didn't look good so far. So if we can't find someone who can rebuild the pump here in Vanuatu, we'll try to find a second-hand one, because like fuel injection pumps brand new are like $3.5 grand, like, and a brand new motor is probably 8-9. So you kind of start. Hopefully we can find someone who can rebuild it. Otherwise we'll try to buy a rebuilt one in Australia and get it sent over. Yeah, if we can't find one that matches, we'll have to get this one rebuilt. And if we can't find someone here, we'll have to take it out and send it to Australia. So
we're going to be here for a while, aren't we?
We're pretty stuck if it's this pump too. So if we need to rebuild it, we're stuck. We need to take it out and replace it. We get a second-hand one sent over. We're still stuck for a couple of weeks, and it's cyclone season has just started, so we really want to get this fixed to keep moving, to get out of this area, because we're in a cyclone-prone area and we're disabled. We can't use it. So I guess if we really had to, we could use this one. It's just going to cause more issues, and we don't want that. But we'd rather have a broken motor than a broken boat completely. But we're currently stuck, and the weather still looks alright, but it is cyclone season, so we really need to get this moving and get us going.
Rather than sitting and waiting for the professionals to arrive, we decided to have a day out with our new friends. We've had rain over the last few days, which means it's a good time to visit the waterfall. So we're at Cascades Waterfall, we have our friends, and we're all going for a swim.
You! We have Chris, the limo driver, today. He's wearing his tie. How are you today, my man?
I'm good. Well, going up the entrance, want to have fun in the water. Children, thanks.
We trekked our way up the winding path through the forest, crossing little bridges and various picturesque swimming holes as we made our way up to the waterfall.
Where'd we find her?
On the side of the road. Starving.
This is Corey.
We frolicked in the refreshing water at the base of the waterfall until our fingers were wrinkled. It was a very lovely feeling to rinse the salty layers off our backs. There's something very peaceful about the gentle sound of rushing water over rocks.
You like it? It's pretty smooth, hey? Feels really good.
Did you have fun, Chris?
Not yet.
Not yet.
100%.
100%.
Have a nice day. I have a nice day.
Haven't started it yet. Boyfriend duties. Yeah, we're ready. Oh, it's about 100 photos there, so...
Yeah, but is there one good one?
Oh, you'll be one in there amongst them all. That's the question right there. It's about 100 photos, but is there one good one? Feeling refreshed and clean, we headed back into town to take Chris onto Nandji, the first time he's ever been on a sailing boat.
Can we say a different word like wow wow?
Wow, wow. Oh, it's...
Oh.
So what was good evening?
Wow wow, good evening. Wow wow, good evening. Wow wow.
What did you create?
Are you excited about going on the boat?
Oh yeah, I'm
Yeah.
very excited.
Is this your first time on a boat?
I mean, like, I've been on a boat, a dinky, small boats, but I've never been on a yacht, so this is my first time, so I'm gonna enjoy the
Yes.
evening to go
Yes.
out to the yacht.
So Jess, are you excited to go on the boat?
Yes.
Yes.
I haven't been on a boat in a long time, so I'm dying to
You-
get on it.
You've been sailing before?
Yeah, I sailed from Hawaii to Australia. It took me 3 months. Stopped in the Solomons and the Marshall Islands, so yeah.
This is your Chris's first time?
My first time, and I'm a
Yes.
very lucky boy.
Welcome aboard Nandji.
Nandji boat.
Babe, check it out. Go downstairs.
Yeah. Have a look around. You can walk wherever you want. Go downstairs. Have a snoop.
We gave Chris the guided tour and it was amazing to watch his reactions. We hope we can fix the boat soon so we can take him sailing.
Have you been down?
Yeah. Trust me, I was down as soon as I could.
Oh, that's good.
This is, yeah, saloon. This is where like all the magic happens in the morning.
Yes, we don't really
want to
First party on Nandji, hey!
Yeah, this is the best night for fireworks.
Best seat in the house. Oh yeah. How's resort life treating you, Benito?
I could get used to this, hey? Maybe just for half a day though, otherwise I'll... What are you doing, Yosh?
I'm writing an email to my mother.
Yeah, you are.
Yeah, it's a bit bad. I've been with a bad son. I probably haven't written to her for over a month. Sorry, Mum.
Let her know you're alive and well. Yeah.
Being a good son. You can love me again. Finally, the professionals had arrived to Nandji and it was time to figure out exactly what the engine problems are. Please break the news gently. I've been worried about this injection pump and having to have it rebuilt, and that's what we're kind of thinking, but silly Captain Yosh
didn't change the secondary filter. So the secondary filter is blocked, and so the fuel, he thinks that the fuel, just because it's dirty, and then not enough pressure getting into the injection pump, so the pump is okay, which is really good. I just need to order some filters and hopefully everything crossed. That's it.
That's another episode of Sailing Nandji, guys.
Ew!
We sort of know what's wrong with the motor, like 80%, but still not 100% sure. So
Yeah, everything crossed. There was just a little boo-boo here by the captain. Like, I changed the primary filter, but the secondary filter's probably been running for 4 or 5 months now, and old mate took it and blew in it, and she was blocked. So I reckon the injection pump was just starved of fuel. So everything crossed that it was just these filters. We've been waiting for 2 weeks for them to rock up, and I'm about to go get them this afternoon.
yeah,
So
we really don't want to be stuck here.
no.
So, yeah.
Hopefully everything crossed.
I just want to say a big thank you to all of our patrons. You guys make these videos possible, so thank you guys. I just want to say a big shout out to our newest patrons as well. We have John, Graham, Aaron, John E, Harold, George, and George as well. Thanks guys for jumping on board the Sailing Nandji family.
Cheers, legends. That was a bit of a doozy, wasn't it? There was what, 6 people with 3 names.
It was so weird. The other day we had the 2 Grahams become patrons, and then 2 random emails from different Grahams spelt differently all come in at the same time, and we were just like,
wow, Graham.
we're channeling our inner Graham or something. It was crazy.
Yeah, so Graham's a good name.
Yeah.
Cheers,
Thanks,
legends.
guys. If you have any friends, family or co-workers that you think might enjoy the Sailing Nandji videos, be sure to share them with them and help spread the word.
Yeah, we really appreciate it, and help get Nandji out there.
Yep. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Until next time. See ya. Don't forget, you can pick up your Sailing Nandji merch at the Sailing Nandji store. Coming up next on Sailing Nandji, while we wait on our motor problems, we conquer fears and play tourist on Efate Island.